Hi there, it's Guneet. Welcome to this tutorial on WPS spreadsheets. In this video, I'll be telling you most of the basics you need to know in order to start using WPS spreadsheets. As WPS Office and MS Office are similar, you can also use these commands on MS Excel. So I simply click on the icon here to start using WPS. Once you click on it, you will get options to work on documents, spreadsheet, presentation, etc. So we will click on spreadsheets. Once you click on it, it will open up options to select template for your worksheet. Some of these templates are paid and some of these are free. You can explore and use them to create your own worksheet. You can also search for any specific template. For example, I'm going to search for budget. And you can see it comes up with even more budget options. You can choose any of them by clicking on Use Now. So right now, I'm not going to use any of the template. These templates are very useful, but having said that, in order to learn WPS spreadsheets fully and properly, it's best to start with a blank workbook. Now, first thing we need to learn is about the layout. So this is the layout that WPS has. Across the top, we have tabs like Home tab, Insert tab, Page layout, Formulas, etc. Each of the tab is very important. Once you click on it, it opens up a ribbon. This is called a ribbon. This is the ribbon of Home tab. This is the ribbon of Insert tab. And similarly, you can view any of the ribbons in the above tabs. Now, each ribbon consists of a group. These commands are called groups. And under these groups, you can see as many as options by clicking on the small arrow like shapes, insert picture. On page layout, you can choose the size of the page, orientation. Well, we will get to learn about all these options in upcoming videos. The other layout terms you need to know in this spreadsheet itself are this spreadsheet, which is made up of columns and rows. Columns and rows. So you can see we have columns A, B, C, D, E, and we have rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. There are lots and lots of rows and columns in this spreadsheet. Now the inner section of this column and row is called cell. So this is a cell, and every cell in this spreadsheet has a name. For example, this cell is named as E5. E5. And you can see the name in this field. Wherever you click, the name will change according to the cell. As you can see, all these rows, columns and cells are on a sheet. So this is sheet 1. I can add more sheets like sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, sheet 5. And this group of sheets is known as a workbook. So this entire thing is a workbook. You can edit the name of the sheet by double clicking on it. Like I'm going to write here, my sheet. See, the name has been changed. You can right click on it and you can have other options like insert sheet, delete, rename, move, copy, merge, etc. And here are some other options. You can zoom in and zoom out the sheet to clearly view the text like this. And these options are to select the layout of the sheet. Like if you want to view full screen, you can click on it and you will have full screen view. You can press escape button to get out of it. This is the normal view. This is the page layout view. It will show your data per page, like how it will look on a single page. And this option is to see page break view, and this option is to select reading layout. For example, if I click on it, whenever you click on any cell, it will highlight the row and the column on which you are working so that you can easily read the data. And this is for your convenience, like if you want to choose eye protection mode or dark mode or light mode. So we'll work on light mode and we'll close this reading layout. And these options are to open a file, save a file, export to PDF. You can also save your workbook in PDF format directly from here. We will learn about it also. This is print option to print your worksheet. And this is print preview. You can preview your workbook, how it will look before printing. Great. Now you are familiar with the layout, and in the next video, we will actually learn how to create a table and do formatting. Thank you.